ever had a computer that took forever to save a document? Today I'm going to show you a way that will enable you to save it faster. The materials I will be using is a anti-static wristband, and depending on the computer you might need a screwdriver set, but today I won't be using this. And you also need a RAM, and this can be purchased at Best Buy, any Walmart, Target, any store that sells computer supplies. Step number 1 is to open the case by pulling up on this lever. And then the next step is to put on the anti-static wristband that allows you to put in the supplies without it having any static electricity transferring from your body to your computer. So I will do that now. Alright, so you need to hook this part to a metal piece in the computer so that it won't transfer any electric current from your body. And the next part is to pick up the RAM that you purchased or that you have, and you need it to hold it this way towards the front, and you're going to locate where the RAM is supposed to be inserted in it, and the RAM is supposed to be inserted right here. And the way that you can tell it's supposed to be inserted right here is an easy way is to tell is because it looks like a harmonica, the side of a harmonica. So what you need to do is you need to slide this inside the groove and press it down in the center. And you should be able to, it should lock into place. And these endings right here, these clippings or clips, they will lock it into place when it's good, or when it's locked in. And so I'm going to do this one too for you. It's a good idea to both have identical RAM, size RAM, and the same type, as it could cause problems with your computer if it's not the same type of RAM. And now the next step is to take the anti-static wristband off, and now you can just close it. And by closing it, you just do that. Well, today I've showed you how to install the RAM, and I hope you have gotten experience on how to do this so that you can do this at your home. Thank you for your time.